I bet you not have no friend like me. Yes, my love. Thank you very much, Tracy.
You're more than welcome. I'm a bestie, my twin.
Hey, girl, you gifted. My friend just bring me cupcake. And me I gotta eat up my cupcake.
I need to stop your sign now.
No, Tracy, tell me how what this now. I put across this.
For the rest of month, for the
my
rest
God.
of year, and it's still going on strong. Yeah?
No,
The love is real.
Aww.
The love is real. Mwah. Love you, bestie.
Love you too, darling.
It don't stop here. For the rest of year and forever.
It's okay.
You're gonna always be mine. Yeah? Cupcake present for you, my baby.
Oh dear, people, my birthday gone from the 11th of October and Tracy's still going on. Take a good look in my good book. This is so nice. And car too.
Don't stop. And goodies too. It doesn't stop here, babe.
I bet you not have no friend like me. Yes, my love. Thank you very much, Tracy.
You're more than welcome. Love you.
Oh, God. Love you too. Oh, God. That girl body. Look on the sexy picture, them. So me and my bestie just here having a little drink, natural juice. Cheers, Tracy, and thank you very much for my
More than
cupcakes.
welcome, sweetie.
Oh,
Love you.
love you too.
Mwah. Mwah.
So what is one?
Cheers.
You want some? Yeah,
The
natural.
birthday not stop your soul for the rest of the year and forever.
We say rest of year and forever.
Forever.
Wanna hear drink people?
Bestie make fruit juice.
Yes,
So nice.
natural.
So nice. This is my date nights.
This is your what?
Date
And
night.
you did nice.
No, daddy. To let my hair down. It's the weekend. I'm at Bestie. I haven't seen her for like about what? 2 weeks now. And I have to come and show my face. This is my bestie. The love is real. Yeah?
Love is real.
The love is real. Over 20 years, I always tell you guys, over 20 years. Never have a fallout.
What you want, my friend? Blue or white? Cream, vanilla.
I know you love the blue, you know. He's a blue girl.
Oh, you know me love blue.
I know.
You know me look on
Yes,
blue
Pass.
bathsuit for this spa. For this spa.
True?
Blue.
You love blue. You
Mhm.
really love blue. You know, so
Like
when me
blue.
I send you the art, them know I blue myself.
Oh,
Aldi, you know, one time I send him a birthday message, I put in the blue, come and know my mother like blue.
yeah, blue.
Mm-hmm. Blue. And
Blue
Spice,
girl.
Spice too, she love her blue. She love
Yes,
her
my
blue.
love.
But I'm a white girl.
Yes, I
I like
girl. You
white.
take white.
Yeah, I love white. Oh, me, I'm a bestie, my twin.
Hey, girl, you gifted. My friend just bring me cupcake. And me I gotta eat up my cupcake.
I need to stop your sign now.
No, let's stop here. Later we're going to the spa.
Oh. And that's
So
it,
you're gonna
guys.
join us at the spa. We have a spa date.
So stay tuned.
I'm gonna stay right there. Right, that's so. Stay right there. The cake tastes really nice.
Honestly. Really?
And okay, you do a good job.
Okay, you
I'm
done
very
well.
proud of you.
Very proud of her, Lisa.
Yeah,
She
Auntie
doing
Bev
very
would
good. I'm
very
happy.
proud of
I'm
you.
happy for her. Honestly, she done good. The design look good and everything. It's really nice. The design is really nice. Lisa should do it good. I'm happy for her.
I'm blue for you. Thank you, my special friend. Now, people, my friend realized that I am struggling to hold the camera, so he got me a gimbal stabilizer for my hand, and he also got me a iPad. Yes, my love, because he realized I'm struggling to edit, so he got me a iPad. My beautiful daughter-in-law got me some goodies from Victoria's Secret. Yes, I really appreciate my gifts. These are worth it because this is for my work now, because my YouTube is my little enjoyment. Thank you guys, really appreciate it. Oh, I'm gonna show you my gifts, all my birthday gifts that I got for my birthday. Of course, my best friend Tracy, she was here, she just brought me my gift, so I decided I will also show you people the gifts that I got from my other friends. Now, I'm just a simple girl living in a simple world. My daughter-in-law, Sarah, I asked her to get me some Victoria's Secret goodies, and she did get me some Victoria's Secret goodies. Yes, people, you know, girl need to stay fresh and clean, like perfume. Yes, and this is from my son, Ronaldinho. He got me this from, I know it's from the perfume shop. I'm not gonna open this. I don't open Ronaldinho's gifts. I normally keep them as souvenirs. So this is from Ronaldinho, and I know it's perfume because this wrapping is from the perfume shop, of course. I got an iPad from my special friend. Yes, people, girl, I have a special friend. Yeah, I'm not gonna know because I'm too fast and mix up. I'm gonna want to know in my business like that. Yes, so I got this iPad because the storage on my phone is not great. So I got this iPad. Yes. Yes, people, an iPad. Thank you, my special friend. Really appreciate this gift. And all the gifts, of course, not just because it's an iPad. I really appreciate my gifts. On it. The chain drop off. And then this is a handheld gimbal stabilizer, and this is for my hand because since my surgery, people, I'm not able to hold the camera properly, and the recording is not that great because it's not stable, it's shaky. So this gimbal will help my recording. So I don't have to hold the phone, so I will be holding my phone on the gimbal. Very lovely and very thoughtful. Thank you, special friend. Yes, people. Lord God, this is nice. Yes, so you know, girl use her right hand, but with the gimbal I'm able to also record properly, just holding it, and I will be putting the phone here and then just holding it and recording. Yes, this is lovely, very thoughtful. You see, I have good friends, you know. Before Tracy come, I was singing "Gal You Gifted" because you know I posted on my TikTok. Yeah, I do my little TikTok, you know. Yeah, girl, do every little thing. Yeah, so thank you very much for my gimbal, my handheld gimbal stabilizer. I really appreciate it. And now people from my friend Tracy. Yes, Tracy now done. Tracy just come start up the birthday business again. Yes. So she got me a jacket. I love the jacket. Yes, I love this. Yes. Oh, girl knows some I need to stay warm and so bestie got me a jacket. I need to stay warm. So when I'm wearing this jacket, I'm just gonna remember my beautiful friend Titi. Yes, my love. I'm a little twin in England, you know. Yes. I'm so grateful for my bestie. I'm so happy that I met a friend like you. People, I wish everybody had a friend like Tracy, otherwise known as TT. This is such a lovely jacket, and it's not cheap. No, she don't get me not cheap. No, my love. This is very expensive. I'm not gonna tell her the price, but I mean it's expensive. She said for looking at the bag because there's another goodie. Look, people. Tracy got me a choker and a chain. Girl knows some I love jewelry, you know. I love accessories. They're very lovely. And they look good for me too. So people, Tracy card. I got this birthday card from Tracy. Very lovely. I will show you at the end. So for the birthday girl, wishing you a wonderful birthday full of smiles and surprises. Yes, people, wanna need to smile a lot and be happy. Wanna we look much better. Yes. To Lisa, my little ride or die. Lily, hope all your wishes come true. Me too, Tracy. Me wish all of my wishes come true, my love. Happy birthday from TT. Love you always, my bestie. The love is real. XXX. Yes, my friend. Girl coming today, you know, and me I tell us all girl up and the love is real. The love is real. She right, the love is real. She really loved me and I really love and appreciate her friendship also. And I'm so grateful for all these gifts. And I just wish people have good friends. Good friends better than pocket money. Now, let me first thank everyone that have given me gifts. Really appreciate it. And I really love and appreciate all my gifts. Yes, all my gifts. I really love and appreciate them. Yes, this is what I asked for and this is what I get because I didn't want to pressure anyone. Yeah, what I asked for is what I get. Yes, really love and appreciate this. Thanks to my Facebook friends and family. They send me lots of love, good wishes and good vibes all the time on Facebook. Really love and appreciate you all. Thanks for the support. I know the love is real and I know people out there really love and appreciate me. Yes, and today is a lovely day for me. I was so surprised to see Tracy coming here with some cupcakes and all our little vibes. The vibes are nice, you know. Really appreciate friends. Friend is good. Some friends, not all friends my love, cause some friends are crosses. My niece, she have another surprise for me. I'm gonna go to the spa. That would be a total different video cause otherwise the video gonna be too long. Thanks to Janae for setting up this spa date for me. I really appreciate it and I'm looking forward for my spa date with my good friends. The girlie in here sing, "Girl, you're gifted. Your that's a go on with beer things. And if you turn up the ratings of the other girl them eating, me say, hey girl, you gifted. And that's the one with beer things. Me love the song I say. Me love the song. Nika, me love the song. Song bad. Yeah, big up yourself. Me love the song bad. Yeah, I was doing that TikTok before Tracy came in. So I'm just happy. things not going right for me, but I'm still happy. Really appreciate everybody love and support, and I hope to live to see many, many more birthdays. I'm not a birthday person, and I don't really keep birthdays party, but my friends, they make sure me enjoy my birthday. Be safe and be good. Remember to live in love, peace, and unity. So please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now. Bye, guys.